You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make this wristlet with a shoe super glue and contact adhesive, just as the month implies. Glues, amount of glues. Okay, so if you're just joining me for the first time, you're watching Miss Crafty, and please don't forget to share my videos with your friends. Also, help me to like my videos. Give me your thoughts. I really want to hear what you think about my videos. Then also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to know what I'll be having next time. Okay, so let's get started. The materials to be used: landing magnetic snap, leather, evo stick, or the cement contact cement adhesive using AB gold. Then we have the shoe super glue, then the gum brush. The gum brush is used alongside the contact adhesive, and here we have the ruler, the pen for markings, we have the piercer for making holes, and finally my scissors. Okay, so the first step is to apply gum on the area which you feel would be enough for the already cut out landing. Remember in the other video, my previous video, I showed you how to cut out a landing. Cut out the landing to be just the size of the item you're trying to prepare. So this is my landing already cut out, so I'm pasting it on the leather which has been covered in contact adhesive. I've pasted it. Now I'm cutting. After cutting, I paste on the edges of the leather so that I can have an easy folding. I'm going to fold it just all around the what do they call it again? All around the landing. So after doing this, the next step is to use the ruler to cut out the handle of the wristlet. That is what I'm trying to trace out with my pen right now. So the length of the handle is actually 30 centimeters, just the same length as the ruler. So I've cut out the little piece for the handle of the wristlet. So I'm adding super gum on it so that I can fold it neatly. Remember, I told you in my first video this month that the evo stick or contact cement adhesive is for folding, neat folding of the edges, whereas the shoe super glue is for joining. It would serve in replacement for sewing, that is the shoe super glue, whereas this contact adhesive is majorly for folding, for neatening and folding, so that the edges don't look rough. So here I've cut out the sides just to have a very perfect fold, that I might not have any endings that would be loose to make the whole work look so dirty. That's the reason why I cut out that part. Now the folding is done, and here I have my rectangle, my perfect rectangle. So here again I'm going to cut out the parts that would be holding the magnetic snap. So I'm using this time around this perfume bottle to actually make a perfect circle instead of cutting it free hand. So this is a perfect circle. So I'm going to cut it out, and on it I'll be inserting my magnetic snaps. Before I start inserting my magnetic snaps, I'm trying here to fold the edges of this handle of the wristlet like it's dried for a few minutes, so it's made the folding very easy. And in the end, I'll be using my shoe super glue to hold it together instead of sewing. So now it's the time to insert the magnetic snaps using my piercer. You just make a hole, make a marking, and then you make the hole using the piercer, and it makes it so easy to know where to insert your magnetic snap. After that, I'll be applying shoe super glue and then onto the wristlet bag. So I wanted to add that if this is your first time of viewing this channel, you're watching Miss Crafty, and it would really be much appreciated if you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share my videos with your friends. Then I would also like to hear your thoughts, like what do you feel about my videos? Do you have any questions, any confusions anywhere? Is there anything you'd want me to explain further to you? Please just leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can respond to your queries. Like any query at all you have, I'd really be happy to respond to it. Then also click on the notification bell so that when next I have a new video, you can be notified easily of it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy your watch time. Thank you for viewing my channel till this very point, like it's already over. So thank you so much for viewing my channel till this point, and if you liked what you saw, please share the video with your friends, give me a thumbs up. I'd like to hear your comments. That's like a review for me so that I'll know whether I'm doing really well or there's something I need to improve on. We keep getting better every day. So this wristlet actually is something that could be used by probably a child who's in school to put their eraser, their sharpener, and a few things that they use in class. Otherwise, if you're a lady like me and you're going for a journey, you can actually put in your items such as your lipstick, your eyeliner, mascara, those tiny things that you'd like to have all put together in one particular place. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my channel with your friends, and please do come back again.